This is a picture of Jude eating a carrot. Think he can do this one, you guys?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Do you want the carrot? Nom, nom, nom. Don't get distracted. Shovel it in. Yeah.
Mama, is it a video?
Yeah, this carrot's a little too big for him to do that thing he did. You're sticking your tongue out at it. Oh, how depressing. Oh, he didn't shovel it in quite the same way. Maybe this one. That's too big. Here you go. I wonder how many carrots he could eat.
He does love carrots. Doesn't he love carrots?
I think he takes after his sister. You carrot monster. And then there's you. I think half of your plate was full of carrots. You have to leave some for your dad. Oh my. Peter May. AJ is eating that instead of his meat. And then there's you. Do you want more? Say more. Do you want more? Say more. Want me to put it on your fork? Can you say more? Say more. Can you say more? Ah. You guys are so funny. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. The carrot is gone in like 5 seconds flat. Yeah, hopefully you don't choke. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Hi girls. Hi boys. I think it's less smeary now. Teeth. Let me see those teeth.
I lost 4 teeth.
There's Carly.
Oh, Mom. I love you, Mom. Oh, my unicorn is like, oh, I love my square flaky. Yeah. You're freaking me out. Mom?
What are you doing, buddy? Do you know it's raining out there? There's rain. It's wet.
There's molecules. What were you going to take a picture of?
I'm watching Jude right now because he's been playing in the rain and he doesn't even care.